Hello, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here,
hi,
I'm Victoria, and if you're not new here, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my mini twists. So since everyone is at home, nobody's going out, a lot of people are here, our hair is kind of going through it because we're not really paying attention to our hair anymore since we're not going anywhere. So I just thought I'd put my hair in mini twist and show you guys how I do that, and show you guys how I do it. So mini twists are a great protective style. They are cute, they last long, and like I said, they're protective style. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do it. Okay, so first thing you're going to need is actually I blow dried my hair yesterday, so my hair is stretched, but like it's already poofy anyways. But so the things I'm going to use are a white tooth comb or a brush. I'm going to use a curling custard. I'm going to be using this and Jackie's Curlala. Yep. Ooh, I love that. Okay. Yep. And what do you call these? Rat tail comb. What did they call it when you guys were growing up? It wasn't until like I started watching YouTube that I knew that these were called rat tail combs, and then it made sense. But small comb, rat tail, whatever you want to call it. And if you choose so, an edge control and a brush, toothbrush, and yeah. So let's get into this video. Okay. 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 Okay, yeah, so I'm going to take this comb and I'm going to cut my hair into sections. So I'm not sure how straight that is, but I think it's good enough. Plus, it doesn't really need to be that straight. One, like I said, nobody's going anywhere, and two is at the back, nobody will notice. So then what you're going to do is that you're going to then divide that piece at the back into the sections that you want for your twist. So my twists are going to be about this size. Can you see that? Give or take. Like I said, I forgot my clips, so we're gonna be, I won't say ghetto, just old school about this. Then I'll take my brush and yeah. So yeah, I'm going to be taking the Curlala. I love how it smells. It smells like bubblegum. Bubblegum. Just a little bit. Like that. And then I'll just twist. They are mini twists, so they're going to be kind of small, but that way you can style them better, and they'll be cute. But because they're small, it's going to take you out. Actually, is this too small? I don't know. We'll see. Then I like to twirl the end. Cute baby. Okay. So yeah. Okay, I'm finally done. That took forever, and I cut it this way so that it could be like a middle part or a side part if I wanted it to be. So decent. Ooh, so cute. Okay, so obviously my hair is still very wet from the product. Well, not very, because my hair was dry when I started. The back is already dry actually, but the front is still wet since I just did it. So I'll be back maybe like tomorrow to show you guys how it looks dry, or I'll just insert clips. Either way, you'll see that. So bye for now.